Hey everybody, welcome back to Bleyl Dev. Today I'm going to be showing you how to write to an Excel file using Python. So what we're going to do is this is the entire script that I'm going to be running. I'm utilizing the OpenPyXL library, and I'm importing load workbook, that's what I'm calling it. And so the first thing that you're going to want to do when you're writing to a workbook is we first have to select the workbook we want to work with. And regardless if you're reading from it, regardless if you're writing to it, you're always going to do this part. And so we're going to instantialize the workbook. We're going to say load workbook, pass in the file name, and this is simply the path to where our Excel file is that we want to work with. Then we have to set up the worksheet that's part of that workbook that we want to work with. And so if you notice in Excel, we're just working with sheet 1. That's the default sheet. And typically that's what you're going to be working with. If it's called something else, however, or if you want to select a different sheet, then you would set up a worksheet for each of those different sheets that you want to work with. And so I'm going to say worksheet equals workbook sheet 1, and then it's as simple as simply saying WS for worksheet that we instantialize, dot cell, and then you pass in the row and column numbers of where you want to write your value to, and then you're going to say dot value, and I'm going to say equals bow for row 2, column 1. I'm going to say test for row 2, column 2. And then once we're done modifying our file, we're going to save the workbook as a whole. And so this will save all sheets pertaining to this workbook. And so I'm going to give this a little run. Okay. And I am going to reopen Excel. Let me drag that over. And there you have it. Wrote bow and test to both of those desired fields. If you want to learn more about how to read through Excel files, how to iterate through rows, how to dynamically assign cell values, all that different type of stuff and more, just check out the OpenPyXL library and you can learn more about that. If you like the video or find it useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.